Challenges and strong is very needed in you. So be strong and accept that challenges. You are alone is enough to achieve, not required anyone, okay? When you did, many ways will open. What you will do? You lose or you accept that challenges. You don't have any option. In that one, you choose and work. Days are moving and you struggle standing in a same place. What you are doing, you also don't know. Time is passing. What you are doing, concentrate. Don't disturb yourself more. Someone went from your life, let them go. Be relaxed. Be more stronger. If you're weak, people attack you more. So never let anyone to come your life. What you had thrown, that never take again. What and all happens in your life, be strong and clear it again and again, because that make you stronger in your life. Strong is not enough. Alone and persistence should be there in your work. Avoid going out more, spending time without doing anything. How you spend your life days. Wisdom is a part what you are doing, and persistence is a challenge to yourselves to win. Don't sit in a dark room. Forget, be strong, work out, prepare yourself emotionally strong. Problems will come to human beings only, right? Not a animals. So life means everything will come. You have to be strong, challenge yourself that you alone is enough to change your world.